Hello, in this video we are going to show you how to remove a bird lime etching and bird poo etching. In a previous video we show you how to clean it quickly when you're not washing the vehicle, so check that out, it's in our other videos. But now we've removed it, unfortunately we're a bit too late, it's etched the paintwork as you can see. So I'm going to show you a quick one step that you can fix it. We completely wash the vehicle, first step. Second step, I'm going to take Sonax Extreme Polish and Wax 3. This will have a good level of cutting it, but it also has a wax protection. So you can do the whole vehicle, especially if the paintwork's looking weathered, but I'm just going to take care of it because, let's be honest, the rest of it looks amazing. So, give it a good shake, take a Sonax applicator sponge, pour a little bit on, and then we're just going to work in circles. It's leveling off the paint nicely, just removing those etching marks. Oh, we don't need to let it dry or cure or anything. We just take a nice microfiber and then we can just buff away. And there we go, bird poo mark gone. Perfect. Making the truck look so much better. It's super simple with this. One step. Obviously make sure you're out of the sun, cool paintwork, then get into the polishing and solve the problems. This is also great for scratches and light marks. And as I said, you can do the whole vehicle. It leaves a lovely wax. So if you want that nice new look to your paintwork, give it a go. We have plenty of other videos. Check them out. Like, subscribe, comment, and yeah, well, I'll see you there.